Hello, everyone. My princess presented me a new phone, and we'll look at it now. This is OPPO A5 20, 8 cores, 2 GHz on all buckets, 4 cameras, Full HD+, battery on 5000 mAh, NFC, Touch ID, Face ID, in general dump your head off, and all this power for $200. Sounds cool, right? The box is truly an iPhone, only you can already stick to it, cool, and everything falls out inside us. I've already looked at everything, even updated the firmware. Here's the head, charging, and this the muffs. Well, very similar to iOS, is not different, and that is battery charger USB Type-C. For the first time in his life saw a big nest, penguins can live there, and this goodbye is incorrectly inserted USB. And here is the mobile phone itself. The stickers have already been peeled off by me, the screen is already lit. Well, meet me, Face ID works instantly from any angle, but now I'm hiding behind the camera, and even if you have a face and ears more than me, everything will work cool. I click on the extinguished screen stupidly out of habit, the power button on the right and not on the top as I used to, so the Face ID worked, without a trace. Yes? Here we have different documents, a paper clip and most importantly a rubber cover. Let's wear it for the first time with you. What else I wanted to say, I congratulate you on the holiday, men, thank you for protecting your families because then I would not be interested in eating all of you. What else is interesting, 3 GB of RAM, 64 built-in memory, the memory card can be thrown at 256 gig maximum, and you know that these gigs do not need to go far. On Ali for 15 rubles buy as much as you want. I threw on 32 gigs so far, total 96 gig plus or minus 10. Enough for a couple of hours of video, a bunch of apps, in general, enough for a mobile device. You can also put 2 nano SIM cards and any of them can accept mobile data. I put my own from Beeline, after cutting it from micro SIM to nano SIM. And this, see Shrek relax if you get high, and then Shrek 5 will not come out. Understand? And who is not waiting for Shrek 5? I'm sorry. You're completely screwed up, then. The pipe doesn't slow down for less than $200 at any time. These are the cool things they do now. What at all saucin' for 50k you about then? I think there are 3 types of phones. One is stupid for calls, for your grandma, but tenacious both on the body and on the battery. The second is all kinds of Androids up to $250, great options with everything you need. You want video, maps, documents, you want to put Ruth, pay by phone please. Sings very loudly, from the maximum brightness of the eyes hurt. Oh, and the third type is iPhones. Here you can count on everything that I said only with long software support, and this is very important. I think you've seen how many more people race with 5s. This video, like all the others, was shot on an iPhone SE, and in the spring they promise SE2, I call it SEX. Put a price tag on it at 400 and everyone would be happy. Not found until settings, as do 1080p and 60 fps, hope that it here there is. In general here is how he shows, not very insight you will offer me is cool, this my gifts, under approximation not strongly graphene spoils, 3 cameras as rays, modicum and small, but as the not conspicuous in eyes as on iPhone, very have him sanguine design. I think we'll make friends. I rolled 1 or 2 after the shooting, while everyone asks a lot as if he came to visit for the first time, you can give me access to the photo, you want to save the password, and so on, and I told him everything, let's go ahead already. Here is such affairs, will that new to tell about him, necessarily will talk. Good luck, guys, here, do not drink a lot and communicate please without a mat, and I will go to play.